Welcome this video. Sunlight design for home. A comprehensive guess introducing sunlight are an excellent way to bring natural light into a home, enhance aesthetic electric effect and overall well-being. Thoughtful design sunlight can redeem on artifacts light improve versatile and even increasing property value. This gas explored various aspects of sunlight design and cabin type placement, material considering benefit of sunlight, natural light enhancement. Sunlight allow appear daylight to enter interior space reading to need for electric light during the day and create a warm and white atmosphere. Electric effect well placed sunlight can centrability to pass solve the hard in the water level hardcast electric effect gazebo other also help in maximize hard loss and gas. What style? What style sunlight can help remove hot air, inspiring airflow and main entrance. A comfortable indoor experiment productive in kitchen and bathroom. Aesthetic appear. A well-designed sunlight can transforming a space make it feel more open and air if can also serve as an aesthetic focal point. Add chaptering to modern and tranquil home equal Type of sunlight, fixed sunlight. Those sunlight are promoting salt and do not open. Then our idea for add lights to room that do not request versatile such as all away and choose versatile sunlight. Also now as open sunlight, those can be open maximize our electric to allow fresh air convenience than are popular useful in bathroom and kitchen doors expanding mode need to a chance. Trapping sunlight. Compact and affect sunlight use reference or to channel sunlight into smart space such as cabin. Those then can are great solve than traditional sunlight and important. Demo sunlight. There three demo sunlight often a unique design element and increasing reliable often make for access placable material. Key consider for sunlight placement original. North full sunlight provide consider soft light. Room functionally consider place sunlight in frequency. Use area such as sunlight kitchen and bathroom to maximize their impact on natural and versatile. Rough pitch and soft. The type of rough play a chosen role in determining its size and type of sunlight that can be installed. A step roof main requests special vanish and install tranquil material choose for sunlight. Low E cost reading UP and influencing light place effective effect. Frame material eliminate determining and lightweight but mean request team break to provide hard tranquil wood provide a natural static but request resisting main entrance to provide promoting and demo install and main entrance consider perfect installing popular installing is Josie and provide load and while install is possibility professional installing other such fit and integrating with the roof structure quick finish and solid technology are to provide water functional